Good morning, guys. So today I have a very special treat for you guys. My channel is obviously called Honest Prop Trader, and I've shared with you guys a couple times before my story of how I got into trading in prop firms, which was I started with equities for many years, and then maybe 6 years ago, my friend introduced me to options, and I did pretty well in options. And then I learned about futures. I was always tinkering with it. And maybe the end of 2022, I learned about prop firms. And from there, I've been making content about my experiences with prop firms. But I did always wish there was an option for options and equities in the prop space. So I came across a video, like it was a promo from a YouTuber for this company called Vanquish Trader. And before I begin, I've never received a payout from this company. This is not an endorsement of them or an endorsement for you to trade. Again, this is just me sharing my personal experience with trading prop firms and this new company, Vanquish Trader, I came across. So I heard about Vanquish earlier this year in January, and I really liked what they were offering because it's basically like a prop firm like situation, but for equities and for options. So this was like one of their plans. For example, it was 50K buying power, profit target of six or $3,000, so 6% of 50,000. Loss limit was 3%, which is $1,500 out of 50,000. Passing 10 trades, unlimited time, and there's 250 a month, which is kind of steep, but I saw that over time they had a lot of sales, so that helped a little bit. Um, and they just allowed you to. I looked mostly at stocks and options. I never seen anything about forex or crypto or futures. But they said that you have unlimited time to pass your eval, no minimum time or maximum time. And this was true for the original plans for equities, options. Now they have something called advanced options. They also have no activation fee once you pass your in, no hidden fee or additional payments. Um, Unlimited payouts. This was interesting too. Handle your funds your way. No amount nor frequency limit. And this was also very interesting to me. They had a 100% profit split, um, which is pretty, I mean, that's pretty generous. I haven't seen many prop firms that have no profit split. Um, so very interesting stuff. So I did some more research into it, and actually, my first plan with them was for an options plan. It was like this one right here. It was like 50K options, and then $2,500 loss limit, resets 125, and then it's $5,000 profit target. So basically double your profit target is double your loss limit. And this did not work for me. I did not like it because this actually had intraday trailing drawdown. And when I canceled my plan, I reached out to him and I told him, with options and how volatile they are and like how they're priced, you can't really treat it the same way that you would treat futures, because sometimes the bid ask spreads alone, like the minute you get into a trade, you'd be in the red, and you can't have intraday trailing with that. So that was what made me stop using this firm was the intraday trailing drawdown on their options plan. I never used the stock plan, but I imagine it's possibly similar. Um, but recently, they came out with a plan called Advanced Options, and this kind of had everything I asked for, like or wanted. They had end of day trailing drawdown. They did introduce a consistency rule, which applies both in the eval and the funded. Um, and for the month of July, I think their promo was the plan was $19. So I actually got this plan right here to test it out, and I paid $20 for it. And this is my account. This is my first day in the account. So my first trade, I bought a calendar spread. I'm gonna basically try to uh, do calendar spreads and make data trades to pass the eval and see if it works. But I mean, it's pretty interesting. You can trade like a regular uh, Like this is the options chain. Looks pretty standard. If you can go to single, again, it's like a regular options chart, and it's pretty cool. Like I'm interested to see how hard this is to pass as an eval, and I'll keep you guys posted on my progress. But I think this is a if it works how they say it works, I think this is a pretty cool option for prop traders that are looking to you know maybe trade options again or to try something different. So um, I'm very intrigued by this, and I'm looking forward to see what they continue to do in this space. But um, I think what they prove more than anything is proof of concept that it is possible to do options in the prop space. I've known a lot of prop firms that say options and stocks are coming, and it never came. So the fact that there's a platform that offers it, it kind of gives other companies a roadmap to do something similar if they choose to do something similar. So that's super exciting to me, and I'm really looking just forward to how this plays out over time. I'm very, 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 very interested. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys have heard of them, what your thoughts are, and if this is something that you would be interested in as a trader. But thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or feedback, again, please leave it. I'm always interested in them.